Greetings, my friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. So friends, I have a big update on the $2,000 stimulus checks. State governors are now mailing out new state stimulus payments to eligible residents. Top lawmakers in the House and Senate are now meeting with President Biden. They are considering passing new legislation that would cause inflation to finally decrease. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to find out if you will be receiving a $2,000 stimulus payment this year. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, remember that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
For what purpose does the gentlewoman from Ohio seek recognition?
Mr. Speaker, I ask unanimous consent to address the House floor for 1 minute and to revise and extend my remarks.
Without objection, the gentlewoman is recognized for 1 moment.
Mr. Speaker, rising prices are straining families' budgets and robbing them of the full benefits of our strong economic recovery. Last year, we experienced the fastest rate of economic growth in 4 decades and the single greatest year of job creation ever. Thanks to this robust growth, workers are securing better jobs with higher pay. Wages have risen more than 4% since President Biden took office. Yet, even as inflation has slowed, rising prices are eating into families' paychecks. To help cut costs for families, the House recently passed legislation to cap the price of insulin at $35. And this week, House will consider new legislation to address pain at the pump. The Consumer Fuel Price Gouging Prevention Act would establish the first ever federal law against price gouging by oil and gas companies. Cutting costs and preventing profiteering, this is how we get our prices under control and put money back in people's pockets. And with that, Mr. Speaker, I yield back.
Friends, I know that many of you are wondering what U.S. states or cities will be giving out relief checks to their residents. Well, Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf recently proposed $1.7 billion. It is a plan to help Pennsylvania fully recover from the crisis and also pave the way for a successful future. Part of his proposal included $500 million for the Opportunity Program, which would send households with an income of $80,000 or less a direct payment up to $2,000. Legislation has been introduced in both the House and Senate by Democratic lawmakers. However, according to sources familiar with the matter, the General Assembly has been slow to act on the governor's plan. The state is sitting on $2 billion in Federal American Rescue Plan funds that must be used by December 31st, 2024, or it gets sent back. Earlier this month, Governor Wolf was joined by Representative Patty Kim to call on GOP state lawmakers. It is to pass the Pennsylvania Opportunity Program to help Pennsylvanians burdened by this crisis and rising prices. The governor has touted his plan as a way to help workers and families who are still reeling from the financial hardship all due to the crisis. These direct payments would boost household incomes for many who are still covering crisis-related costs, stabilizing their budgets, and also rebuilding their savings. The funds would give much-needed relief to cover expensive childcare and household expenses. Governor Wolf has previously stated that the resident should not have to choose between paying for utilities or groceries, childcare, or gas. Dear friends, do you reside in a state that's providing its residents with some sort of stimulus checks? Please let me know in the comment section below. Now, friends, Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm said that President Biden is laser-focused on knocking down sky-high gasoline prices, though she noted that the president has limited influence to do so. Jennifer Granholm told CNN News during a press conference, "Biden is obsessed with the fact that gas prices are so high and people are hurting." Granholm argued that by unleashing record amounts of emergency oil to ease strains on the American people, President Biden has already used the biggest tool at his disposal to address energy crisis. The national average hit a record high of $4.60 a gallon this week on Wednesday. It is up 51% from a year ago. The steady increase in higher gas prices is forcing U.S. officials to contemplate even more intervention. Asked if the Biden administration is seriously considering additional action, such as banning U.S. oil exports, Secretary Granholm said, "Everything is still on the table." Granholm added that the Biden's advisors are pressure testing a series of moves. It is to make sure that there are no unintended consequences. Gas prices initially retreated after Biden announced a record-setting release of 180 million barrels of oil. The relief proved to be temporary, however, and today the national average price per gallon is 37 cents higher than it was on the day that President Biden announced the unprecedented step. The gas price spike is squeezing American families, forcing them to make difficult decisions about their finances. After taking office, Biden wasted no time in focusing on the climate crisis. On his first day in office, he signed executive orders revoking the permit for the Keystone XL pipeline, imposing a moratorium on oil and gas leasing in the Arctic. So now Biden officials are openly pleading with big oil to pump more, not less. Currently, United States oil production remains significantly below pre-crisis levels. Friends, the key word for this video is Bahamas. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Bahamas, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Well, my fabulous and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away 4 Walmart gift cards every week. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos. And remember to comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.